This picture, is this you?
That picture is me.
And your name is?
Chantal Anicoche.
Okay. So this is Chantal Anicoche. Is this you, Chantal, in the picture?
Yes. What is that picture?
Is this you in the picture? Pakita mo yung picture, pakita mo.
What's that picture about?
On the picture, is that you in the picture? Chantal Anicoche?
But I don't know what that is.
We're just trying to your identity, if that's much on the picture. You want rice? We have rice here. Rice. Yes. Kanin.
Sabag ko, Noy. Kunin mo, Noy. Meron din ako, Noy. Sapak ko, Noy. Ayan, o.
Kanin. You want rice? We have rice here. Rice. Yes. Kanin.
Sabag ko, Noy. Kunin mo, Noy. Meron din ako, Noy. Sapak ko, Noy. Ayan, o.
Kanin. May tao. Tanyo. Okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal, what's your surname? What's your full name?
Chantal Anicoche.
Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay. Tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful. You go with them. Uy, mag-ready ka ng pagkain dyan. You go there, Chantal. On the open area.